Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sun Salutations. Thank you so much for joining me. This is an hour power yoga flow for core strength and flexibility. It is designed to bring you the experience of a studio class right in the comfort of your home. We will be flowing through a dynamic sequence with a little bit challenge at the middle of class. So please keep in mind, always listen to the body. Take a break at any time. Take a little water towel off at any time if you need it. Let's begin in a child's pose today. Move towards the back of the mat. Open the knees as much as you need. Sitting on the heels. Walk your hands forward and rest the forehead down to the mat. Just a moment here to go deeper inside. Welcoming all parts of the body fully arriving into the body, arriving into your space in the moment right here on the mat. Let's take some cleansing breaths here. Exhaling as you are. And take a deep inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, let it all out. One more, just like that. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it all out. Beautiful. And this time, breathe in however you want. And breathe out however you want. Through your nose, your mouth, or long or short. Keep listening to the body. Keep going inside. Keep connecting with the body, your breath, in the moment right here on the mat. Child's pose is a rest stop posture, so if at any time you need to take a break, child's pose is always there for you. And as you are ready, we begin to move. Walk your hands to the right. Stack the left palm on top the right. Press the forehead back down to the mat. Think about breathe in and out through the left side of the body. And walk your hands to the left. Stack the right palm on top of the left. Continue breathe. Breathe into the right side of the body. Walk your hands back to the top of the mat. Come up to a tabletop position. Stack your shoulders over the wrist, hips over the knees. Inhale to a cow pose. Drop the belly down. Lift the chest forward. Exhale to a cat pose. Rounding through the spine. Bring the chin into the chest. Let's do that again. Inhale cow. Exhale cat. Inhale belly down. Exhale round the back. One more time. Inhale cow. Exhale cat. Beautiful. Inhale, come back to tabletop. Exhale, extend the right leg back. Level the hips. Engage the core. Inhale, reach your left arm beside the left ear. Exhale, crunch and tap right knee, left elbow, rounding the back. Let's do that again. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, round it in. Inhale, reach it longer. Exhale, rounding deeper. Inhale, sit up, reach it out. Exhale, bend the right knee, circle the left arm behind you, and grab the right toes, kick the right heel up and back. Open your heart forward. You always can bring the left palm down to the mat. Use the core to kick the right heel up and back. Open the front line of the body. You got this. One more inhale. Exhale, bring the left hand back to the top of the mat and step the right foot between the palms here. Inhale, bend the right knee, lower the hips down to the mat, open your heart forward, turn the fingertips down to the mat. Exhale, straighten the right leg, send the hips to the back of the mat, lift your chest over the right thigh, pointing the right toes up to sky. Let's flow, my friend. Inhale, rebend the right knee, lower the hips down, open your heart forward. Exhale, half split, send the hips to the back of the mat. 2 more times. Inhale, rebend the right knee. Exhale, straighten the right leg. 1 more time. Inhale, rebend the right knee. Exhale, straighten the right leg. You got this. Inhale, bend the right knee. Exhale, support the side plank to the back of the mat. From here, make a kickstand with the left toes to behind you. Walk the left hand to the back of the mat. Bring the right arm above the right ear. Think about open the top side of the body, up and back. Continue, breathe easy. Just like that. Inhale, come up to a gate pose. Bend the right knee, lift the shoulders over your hips. And exhale, baby triangle pose. Bring the right forearm down to the right thigh. Left arm above the left ear. Press the hip to the left. Open the heart up to sky. Continue, breathe easy here. If you want more, bring the right fingertips down to the mat. 3 more breaths here. You got this. 1 more inhale. Exhale, low lung twist to the top. Bring the left hand to the top of the mat and bring the left toe to the back of the mat. Tuck the left toes, lift the back knee. Open the right arm up for a low lung twist. Keep breathing. Keep open the right shoulder up and back. Maybe bend the right elbow. Keep lowering your hips down to the mat through the back knee. 3 more breaths here. You got this. 1 more inhale. Exhale. Modify pyramid pose. Bring the both hands to the top of the mat. Straighten the both legs. Send the hips to the back of the mat. Press the right hip back. Left hip to the front to level the hips. 3 more breaths here. You got this. Inhale, rebend the right knee, gaze to the top of the mat. Exhale, high plank, squeeze the right leg back to meet the left here. Drop the knee, chest, chin down to a modified low plank. Inhale to a cobra, to the toes. Open your heart forward. And exhale to a child's pose. Send the hips to the heels, forehead down to the mat. Reconnect with the body, reconnect with your breath. You got this. Meet me back in tabletop when you are ready. Shoulders over the wrist here. Inhale, extend the left leg back. Level the hips. Exhale, reach your right arm beside the right ear. Take a deep inhale, engage the core. Exhale, crunch and tap right elbow, left knee, rounding the back. 2 more rounds just like that. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, crunch it in. Inhale, reach it longer. Exhale, rounding deep. You got this. Inhale, reach it out. Exhale, bend the left knee, circle the right arm to behind you. Grab the left toes. Kick the left heel up and back. Open your heart forward. Option, bring the right palm down to the mat. Continue breathe here. Snap that. Bring the right hand back to the top of the mat. Step the left foot between the hands. Inhale. Bend the left knee, lower the hips, bow to the mat, open your heart forward. Exhale. Half split, push straighten the left leg. Send the hips up and back. Flick your chest over the left thigh, pointing the left toes up to sky. Let's flow, my friend. Inhale. Rebend the left knee, open your heart forward. Exhale, half splits. Send the hips to back. Inhale, 2 more breaths. Exhale, send it back. 1 more inhale, bend the left knee. Exhale, send it back. You got this. Inhale, rebend the left knee. Exhale, support the side plank to the back of the mat. Make a kickstand with the right foot to behind you. Walk the right hand to the back of the mat. Straighten the left leg. Open the top side of the body up and back. Amazing. Inhale, come up to a gate pose. Bend the left knee and lift the shoulders over your hips here. Exhale, baby triangle. Bring your left forearm down to the left thigh. Right arm above the right ear. Open the right shoulder up and back. 3 more breaths here. If you want more, bring the left fingertips down to the mat. Continue breathe. You got this. 1 more inhale. Exhale, lower long twist to the top. Bring the right palm inside the front foot. Bring the left right toe to the back of the mat. Lift the right knee. Open the left arm up. Continue breathe here. Maybe micro bend the left elbow to open the chest up to sky. 3 more breaths here. Just like that. 1 more inhale. Exhale. Modify pyramid pose. Bring the both hands inside front foot. Straighten the both legs. Shorten the stance if you need it. Press the left hip back, right hip to the front. Level the hips. 3 more breaths here to go deeper inside. You got this. Inhale, rebend the left knee. Exhale, high plank. Plant the palms down to the mat. Step the left toe to the back of the mat. Come down to a low plank. Bend the elbow to a 90-degree option. Drop the knee, chest chin down. Same the first round. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Untuck the toes. Open your heart forward. And exhale, child's pose. Tuck the toes, bend the knees, bend the hips. Toss the heels, forehead down to the mat. You can enjoy the child's pose a little longer if you like. When you are ready, we move on. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the knees off of the mat to a hovering tabletop. Lift the knees off of the mat about 2 to 3 inches here. Hug the navel towards the spine, fire up the lower abs. Stay with me just for 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Use the core, straighten the legs out to high plank. Let's do that again. Inhale, hovering tabletop, bend the knees. Exhale, high plank, straighten the legs out. 3 more rounds. Inhale, hovering tabletop. Exhale, high plank. Inhale, tabletop. 2 more rounds, my friend. Exhale, high plank. Stay with me, nice loud. Inhale, hovering tabletop, engage the core. Exhale, high plank. Send the hips back and up to the down dog. Take the free movements here. Maybe pedal the feet or sway your hips side to side. Keep pushing the palms away from the mat. Maybe shake the head yes, shake the head no. Beautiful. Meet me back in a stillness down dog when you are ready. Inhale, shifting the shoulder forward to a high plank. Continue breathe here. See if you want to walk your hands to the top of the mat to start your shoulders over the wrist here. Engage the core. Take one more deep inhale. Exhale, low plank, bend the elbow to a 90-degree option. Drop your knee, chin down. Up dog or cobra. Tuck the toes, open your heart forward. Exhale, down dog. Send the hips back and up to the down dog. That is Vinyasa flow. Let's flow 2 more rounds to your muscle memory. Inhale, high plank. Shifting the shoulders forward. Exhale, low plank. 90-degree elbows. Up dog or cobra. Always your choice. Exhale, down dog. Hips back and up. One more round. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, low plank. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale, down dog. Amazing. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, ragdoll. Step the toes behind the wrist. Feet hips apart, bend the knees, grab the opposite elbows and sway the upper body side to side. Allowing the head hang heavy. Beautiful. Release your hands down to the mat when you are ready. Bring your heels together or feet hips apart. Inhale to mountain pose to pull the hands up to the sky. Exhale, bring your hand to the heart center in Namaste. Soften the gaze or close the eyes. Just a moment here to reconnect with the body, reconnect with your breath, and the reason that brought you onto the mat today. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it go. Open the eyes. Inhale, mountain pose, circle your hands up to the sky. Exhale, interlace the fingers and side bend to the right, leaning the torso to the right. I'll turn this side so you may see easier. Level your hips, level your shoulders. Press your hips to the left, with your hands to the right. Gaze up to the sky. Amazing. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, side bend to the left, leaning your torso to the left, level your hips, level your shoulders. Inhale, mountain pose with your hands up to sky. Exhale, standing forward, fold hinge from the hips with your hands down to the mat. Let the head hang heavy to a standing forward fold. Inhale, to half really flat the back, elongate your spine. Exhale, high to low plank. Plant the palms, step toe to the back of the mat. Option, drop the knee, chin down. Up dog or cobra, open your heart forward. Exhale to a down dog. That is your first warm-up flow. Let's flow 2 more rounds, my friend. Inhale, bend the knees, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold, travel to the top of the mat. Inhale, half really flat the back. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose, circle the hands up to sky. Exhale, interlace of fingers, side bend to the right. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, standing forward, fold hinge from the hips, with your hands back down to the mat. Inhale, half really flat the back. Exhale, high to low plank, walk back or fly back. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale to a down dog. Beautiful. One more round. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Travel to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat the back. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Circle the hands up to sky. We have something new here, my friend. Exhale, baby back bend. W bend the elbows. Expose your heart up to sky. Gaze up to sky. Inhale to mountain pose. Reach your hands up to sky. Exhale, standing forward, fold hinge and reach. Inhale, halfway lift, flat the back. Exhale, high plank. Meet me in a high plank, my friend. We take some chaturanga push up here to strengthen our core. Option, drop the knees down for support. Option, keep the knees off of the mat. Inhale, bend the elbow to a 90 degree. Exhale, press it back. Let's do that again. Bend it down. Press it back. Remember, you have an option, drop the knees down. Keep it going, my friend. In and now. Lower and lift. Give me 4 more. Engage the core all the time. 3 more. 2 more. Come on, my friend. Almost there. And 1. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale, down dog. Send the hips back and up. Amazing. Inhale, bend the knees. Look forward. Exhale, forward fold. Travel to the top of the mat. Halfway lift. Inhale, flat the back. Exhale, standing forward fold. We have something new. Inhale, chair pose. Bend the knees, sit low, lift your hands overhead. Continue breathe here for 3 more breaths. Bend the knees a lot. Extend the tailbone back and down. Hug the navel towards the spine. Engage the core. Take 1 more deep inhale. Exhale, standing forward, fold hinge from the hips. Reach your hands back down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat the back. High to low plank. Exhale, walk back or fly back. Up dog or cobra, or you always can add your chaturanga push up here. Exhale, down dog. Send the hips back and up. Beautiful. Inhale, lift the right leg up and back into the sky to a 3-legged dog. Exhale, squeeze the right knee to the right tricep. Engage the core. Windshield wiper the right knee to the left and to the right. Keep it going, my friend. At your own pace, engage the core all the time. Come on. Give me just 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Give me 1 more round. Amazing. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Kick it up and back. Exhale, low lunge. Step the right foot between our hands. Pivot the back heel down. Bend the right knee. Inhale, warrior 1. Open the body to your left. Kapitulate your arms. Bend the right knee a lot. Lower the hips down. Stack your shoulders over the hips. Amazing. Take 1 more deep inhale. Exhale, extend the triangle. Bring the right forearm down to the right thigh. Open the left arm above the left ear. Think about open the top side of the body up and back. 3 more breaths here. If you want more, bring the right fingertips down to the mat. Engage the core. You got this, my friends. Stay still on the lower body. Inhale, reverse warrior. High five the right hand up and back. Bring the left hand on the left thigh or hug the right hip here. 3 more breaths here to go deeper inside the pose. Feel that opening through your right side of the body. Take 1 more deep inhale. Exhale, high to low plank. Windmill your hands down. Extend the right leg back. Option 1 leg plank. Up dog or cobra. Untuck the toes. Open your heart forward. And exhale to a down dog. You got this. Inhale, left leg up and back into the sky, 3-legged dog. Exhale, squeeze the left knee to the left tricep, engage the core. Windshield wiper the left knee to the right and to the left. Keep it going. Engage the core all the time. Windshield wiper the knee side to side. Stay with me. 4 more. 3 more. Yes, you can. 2 and 1. Inhale, 3 leg dog. Kicking up and back. Exhale to low lunge. Step the left foot between the hands. Pivot the back heel down. Inhale, warrior 2. Open up to the right. Bend the left knee a lot. Widen the stance. Stack your shoulders over the hips. 3 more blocks here. So strong, my friend. Take one more deep inhale. Exhale, extend this angle. Bring the left forearm down to the left thigh. Right arm above the right ear. Open the top side of the body up and back. If you've been here on the ground, breathe. See if you want to bring the left fingertips down to the mat for more intense. 3 more blocks here. You got this, my friend. Inhale, reverse warrior. Stay still on the lower body. High five the left hand up and back. 3 more blocks here. Beautiful. High to low plank when you are ready. Option 1 leg plank. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale that down. That is the second flow. Let's flow 2 more rounds, my friend. And we'll add some movements on at the next round. When you are ready, take a deep inhale. Bend the knees, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Travel to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat the back. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, chair pose, bend the knees, sit low with your hands overhead. Exhale, standing forward fold. With your hands back down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat the back. Exhale, high to low plank, fly or walk back. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale, take down dog. Inhale, right leg up and back, 3 leg dog. Exhale, squeeze the right knee to the right tricep, only 1 time here. Inhale, 3 leg dog, kick it up and back. Exhale, low lunge. Step the right foot to the top. Inhale, warrior 2, pivot the back heel down, open the body to the left. Exhale, extend the triangle, right forearm down, left arm above the left ear. Inhale, reverse warrior, high five the right hand up and back. Exhale, high to low plank. Option 1 leg plank. Up dog or cobra, or you always can skip it. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up and back, 3 legged dog. Exhale, squeeze the left knee to the left tricep, only 1 time. Inhale, 3 legged dog. Exhale, low lunge, left foot to the top. Inhale, warrior 2. Pivot the back heel down, open the body to the right. Exhale, extend the triangle. Reach the right arm above the right ear. Inhale, reverse warrior. High five the left hand up and back. Exhale, high to low plank. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale, take down dog. Amazing. Next round, inhale, bend the knees, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Travel to the top. Inhale, halfway lift, flat the back. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale to chair pose. Hands up to sky. It's time to adding on, my friend. Exhale, chair airplane. So go the arms behind you, option drinking bird. Lift the heels off the mat, strengthen the ankles, strengthen the calves muscles. Amazing. Inhale, mountain pose, heels on the mat, straighten the legs, hands overhead. Exhale, crow pose, hinge from the hips, bend the knees, bend the elbows, bring the palms down to the mat. And then shifting the shoulder forward, tap the knee to the tricep. Engage the core. This is a crow pose. You want more? Lift the toes off of the mat. Whatever option you're in, continue breathe. For 4, 3, 2, 1. High to low plank. You can walk the toe to the back of the mat or fly with me. Inhale, circle. Fly the toe to the back of the mat. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale to down dog. So strong, my friend. Inhale, right leg up and back into the sky. Exhale, right knee to the right tricep. Keep breathing here. Keep the right knee bending and open the right knee up and back to a down dog flip here, or bend the both knees to set the right toes to behind you. Flip the hips up to sky to a wild thing. Stay with me. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3 leg down. Keep the right leg up and back. Exhale, low lunges. Step the right foot to the top. Inhale, warrior 2. Open up to the right. Exhale, extend the side angle. Amazing. Inhale, reverse triangle, straighten the both legs. High five the right hand up and back. 3 more blocks here. Think about open the right side of the body. Up and back. 1 more inhale. Exhale to a low lunge. Rebend the right knee. Inhale, low lunge twist. Standing on the tiptoes here. Open the right arm up for a twist. If you've been here before, you can continue breathe here or join me for a side plank. Set the left heel down. Open the body to the right. Sweep the right leg back to meet the left. Stack the heels or set the both heels down to the mat. Continue breathe here for 3 more breaths to strengthen the sides body. You want more? Reach your right arm above the right ear. You got this. 1 more goodbye inhale. Exhale, high to low plank. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale, take out dog. Amazing. Inhale, lift the left leg up and back into the sky. 2, 3, lift it up. Exhale, squeeze the left knee to the left tricep. Engage the core. And keep the left knee bending. Open the left knee up and back to the core. Continue breathe here or flip the hips up to sky. Bring the left toe to behind you. To a wild thing. Continue breathe here. Just for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 3, lift it up. Take the left leg up and back. And exhale, low down, step the left foot to the top. Inhale to a warrior 2. Pivot the back heel down. Open the body to the right. Exhale, extend the spine, go left forearm down, right arm above the right ear. Inhale, reverse triangle, straighten the both legs. High five the left hand up and back. 3 more breaths here. Feel that opening through the left side of the body. Amazing. Low lunge square will be bend the left knee and support the arms down. Standing on the tip of the right toes. Inhale, open the left arm up for a twist. You can continue breathe here, same other side. Or join me for side plank. Pivot the right heel down to the mat. Sweep the left leg back to meet the right. Stack the heels or set both heels down to the mat. Continue breathe here for 3 more breaths. If you want more, reach your left arm above the left ear. You got this. High to low plank. Or you always can speed it up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale to down dog. Take 1 more deep inhale through the nose. Exhale to the mouth. Amazing. Inhale. Shifting the shoulders forward to high plank. Exhale to a forearm plank. Bend the elbows, bring the forearms down to the mat. Inhale, circle. Hug the navel towards the spine. Holding here and breathe completely easy here. You got this. You can continue breathe here or dip the hips side to side. Dip the hips to the right and back to center. Dip the hip to the left, center. Keep it going my friend, side to side. Strengthen the sides body. Strengthen the obliques muscles. When the obliques muscle is strong, it helps you move easy in every direction here. Continue with me for 3 more. 2, 1. Beautiful. Bend the knees. Bring the belly down to the mat. Squeeze the mat. Inhale. Lift the chest up to a baby cobra. Exhale. Lift the legs off of the mat to a locust legs. Balance on the belly. Continue breathe here or with the arms beside the ears. Stay with me. Lift everything a little higher. Keep me 2 inches higher. Amazing. Everything down to the mat. Bring your hands underneath the shoulder. Put your palms away from mat. Send the hips to the heels. Forehead down to the mat. Very child's pose. Reconnect with the body. Reconnect with your breath. And the reason that what we want to the mat today. You can enjoy the child's pose a little longer if you like. When you are ready, we move on. Inhale, standing on the knees with my hands overhead. Exhale, half camel pose. Bring the right hand on the right heel or on the right hip here. Level your hips, open your heart up to sky. Breathe. Beautiful. Inhale. Lift your hands up to sky, shoulders over the hips. Exhale, half camel pose on the left hand on the left heel or left hip. Open your heart up to sky. Continue breathe. You got this. Inhale. Lift both hands up to sky. Exhale, hook, camel pose. Bring your hands on the heels, on the hips. Open your heart up to sky. 3 more breaths here. You got this. Inhale, lift the shoulders up. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat. Put the toes and the hips back and up to the down dog. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. Open the mouth, let it go. One more, just like that. Inhale through your nose. An audible sound, let it go. You got this, my friend. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, yogi squat the toes behind the knees. And bend the knees, bring your hands to the heart center. Press your elbows to inner thighs, so thumb to the heart to thumb. 3 more breaths here. Beautiful. Take one more deep inhale. Exhale, reach your hands out in front of you and use your core, lower your hips down to the mat and then straighten the legs out in front of you. If it's too much for you, you always can bring your hands down to the mat here for support. Engage the core and straighten the legs out. Trust yourself. See if you want to hook to the big toes here. And then kick the heels out, straighten the legs completely here. Soften the gaze out, close eyes for 3 more breaths here. One more inhale. Exhale, release your hands, slowly lower your shoulders down to the mat. Bend the knees, bring your hands behind the head, plant the heels down to the mat. Basic crunches, here we go. Take a deep inhale, exhale, crunch the shoulders up and down. Engage the core. Keep it going. Maintaining the elbows open wide, lift the shoulders up and down. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, last 4, give me 3 more, pulse it up in 2, tiny movement in 1, pulse it up and up, give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bicycle twist, lift the shoulders off the mat, tabletop the chin and then crunch your right knee, left elbow, extend the left leg out, come back to tabletop your chin, opposite side. Keep it going, my friend, strengthen your core, fire up your abs. Just like that or pick up the pace if you like. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Bring your hands behind your knees. Rock and roll up and down. Few more rounds. When you are ready, come up to tabletop, push it in. Stack the shoulders over the wrist, tuck the toes, hand the hips, backing up to the down dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up and back into the sky, 3-legged dog. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands. Inhale to a high crescent, bend the right knee, circle the hands up to the sky. Continue breathe here, bend the right knee a lot, level your hips. Squeeze your inner thighs in, toss together for support. Lower your hips down. 3 more breaths here. One more inhale. Exhale, crescent twist to the left. Bring the palm to the heart center and hook the left elbow out to the right thigh. Engage the core, get long to the back leg. Twist from the belly to the chest. You always can drop the bottom knee down. 3 more breaths here. You got this. Inhale, come back to high crescent. With control, reach your hands up to the sky. Exhale, reach your arms out in front of you with the palms facing up. And then stack the right arm on top of the left. Wrap your arms like a rope here. You always can hug the shoulders. Inhale, lower the hips down, lift elbows up to the sky to open your heart. Exhale, crunch and round the elbows into the navel point. Let's do that again. Inhale, lift elbows up and back. Open your heart forward. Exhale, crunch the elbows into the navel point. Last round. Inhale, lift it up and back. So strong, my friend. And exhale, round it in. You got this. Inhale, lift the elbows up and back. Exhale, use the momentum, shifting the shoulder forward. Pick up the right leg, bend the leg, wiggle your arms. Continue breathe here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Bend the left knee into the chest and now just challenge your right leg a little bit here. Exhale, full eagle pose, stack the right leg, left leg rather on top of the right. Wrap the legs like a rope, or you can rest the right toes down to the mat. Continue breathe here. I'll move to the middle of the mat so you may see me easier. Continue breathe here. Hug to the midline. Pull the elbows away from chest. Broaden to the back of the shoulders. Just for 3 more. 2 and 1. Inhale, mountain pose. Release the wraps. Reach the both hands up to sky. And exhale, chair airplane. Bend the knees. Airplane the arms. Option drinking breath. Just like that. Inhale, right leg up. Chair one leg in mountain pose. Bend the right knee in towards the chest. Lift your hands up to sky. Exhale. Bring the left hand to outer right thigh. Open the right arm back for a twist. You can continue breathe here, or if you want more, wrap the outer edge of the right foot and kick the right leg out to a Shiva dancer pose. Whatever option you are in, continue breathe into that. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale to a mountain pose. Beautiful. Exhale. Airplane pose. Full airplane pose. Airplane the arms. Kick the left leg back. Level the hips. And bring your hands down to the mat to a star pose. Bend the right knee. And then open the body to the left. Straighten the both legs. Pivoting all the 10 toes to the left side. Reach your hands up to the sky. Take one more deep inhale. Roll your heels in, toes out. Exhale, horse squat. Bend the knees. Bring your hands to the heart center. Sit low. Open the knees as much as you can. Keep the shoulders over the hips. Maybe take a tiny movement here. Lift the hips 1 inch up, 1 inch down to strengthen the inner thighs, outer hips. Take whatever option works for the body today. Stay with me for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, warrior 1 to the top. Straighten the left leg and sweep your hands to the front and reach your hands up to sky. 3 more breaths here. Bend the right knee a lot. Anchor the back heel down. Stretch out to the back calf muscles. One more inhale. Exhale, humble warrior. Interlace the fingers behind the back and surrender the upper body inside the front thigh. Drop your hands towards the head direction. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat. Straighten the both legs. Wide leg forward, fold to the left. Pivoting all the 10 toes to the left. Send the hips up to sky. Wrap the ankles or the heels here. Relax the back of the neck. Beautiful. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, bring your hands down underneath the shoulder. Skandasana to the front. Bend the right knee. And straighten the left leg, pointing the left toes up sky. You may find a bind behind the back here. Interlace the fingers behind the back. Open your left shoulder up and back. 3 more breaths here. You got this. One more inhale. Exhale, low lunge to the front. Walk the hand to the top. Inhale, high plank. Standing on the tip of the left toes, extend the right leg back. Exhale, low plank. Up dog or cobra. Into the toes, open your heart forward. Exhale to it down dog. Send the hips back and up. Inhale, lift the left leg up and back into the sky. Exhale, step the left foot between the hands. Inhale, high crescent, bend the left knee. Reach your hands up to sky. 3 more breaths here. To go deeper inside. Bend the left knee a lot, hovering the right knee if you need it. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, crescent twist to the left. Bring your hands to the heart center in Namaste. Hook the right elbow to outer left thigh. And then reach your heart to the thumb to the heart. Option, drop the bottom knee down. You got this. Inhale, high crescent. Keep the left knee bending. And then reach your hands up to sky. And exhale, eagle arms. Open the arms out in front of you with the palms facing up. Stack your left arm on top of the right. Wrap the arms, let it rope, or you can hug your shoulders. Inhale, lower the hips down. Lift the elbows up to sky to open your heart. Exhale, crunch the elbows in towards the navel point. Rounding the back, scoop the belly in. 2 more rounds, just like that. Inhale, lift the elbows up, challenge the left leg here. Exhale, crunch and tap the elbows towards the navel point. One more round, you are almost there, my friend. Yes, you can do it. Lift the elbows up. Exhale, crunch it in. You got this. Inhale, lift the elbows up. Exhale, shifting the shoulder forward. Pick up the right leg. Continue to breathe here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Bend the right knee in towards the chest. Exhale, full eagle pose. Stack the right leg on top of the left. Wrap the legs like a rope. Continue to breathe here. I'll turn to the front so you may see me easier. Bend the knees a lot. Extend the tailbone back and down. Hug the navel towards the spine to protect the lower back. You got this. Inhale, mountain pose. Release the wraps. Straighten the legs up to sky. Exhale, chair airplane. Bend the knees. Airplane the arms. You got this. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Root down to the right foot. Bend the left knee in towards the chest. Exhale, open the arms to the left for a twist. Wrap the outer thigh, outer of the left thigh by the right hand here. You want more. Wrap the outer edge of the left foot and kick the left leg out to a revolve dancer. Whatever option you're in, continue breathing to that. Just for 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, mountain pose. Both heels down to the mat. Exhale, full airplane. Shifting the weight onto your left foot. Kick the right leg up and back. Airplane the arms. Beautiful. Inhale, start to the right. Bend the left knee to plant the right toes down. Open the body to the right. Pivoting out and toe to the right. And breathe. Inhale, roll the heels and toes out. Exhale, horse squat. Bend the knees into the heart center. And breathe here. On this side option, bring your hands on the thighs and tap the right shoulder to the left thigh for shoulder twisting. And lift your shoulder over the hips. Twist to the left, twist to the back of the mat. Left shoulder toward the right thigh. One more round each side. Come back to center. Twist to the front. Come back to center. Twist to the back. And lift the shoulder back to center. Hand to the heart center. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, warrior one to the top. Straighten the left leg. And sweep the hands up to the sky. Bend the left knee a lot. Anchor the back heel down to stretch out to the back calf muscles. 3 more breaths here. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, humble warrior. Interlace the fingers behind the back. Surrender the upper body. Inside with Tanta here. Continue breathe. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, wide leg forward, fold to the right. You can keep your hands in a bind behind the back or bring your hands down to the mat. Straighten the both legs. Turn the body to the right. Pointing all the 10 toes to the right. Drop the hands toward the head direction or your hands on the mat. Keep sending your hips up the sky. Relax the back of the neck. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, Skandasana to the top of the mat. Bend the left knee. You can keep your hands behind the back or bring your hands out in front of you or find a bind behind the back here. Pointing the right toes up the sky. Continue breathe. You got this. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, low lung to the front. Bring the both hands to the top. Inhale, high plank. Standing on the right foot. Extend the left leg back. Exhale, low plank. Bend the elbow to 90 degrees. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart forward. Exhale, to down dog. Beautiful. Inhale, right leg up and back into the sky. 3-legged dog. Exhale, step the right foot outside the right pinky. Bend the right knee. You can plant the palms on the mat or circle the right arm up and back. You can continue breathe here. Lower the hips down or bring the left knee down to the mat. Bend the left knee. And then wrap the left toes. Open the right shoulder up and back. Continue breathe here. Maybe close the eyes to go deeper inside. You got this, my friend. Release the hand back to the top of the mat. And then walk the right heel to the left edge of the mat for a single pigeon pose. Extend the left leg back. You can parallel the right shin to the top edge of the mat or diagonal your right shin to the top of the mat here. And rest the forehead down to the mat for a few moments. You got this. Bring your hands down to the mat. And then tuck the left toes. Come back to down dog. Inhale, left leg up and back into the sky. Exhale, step the left foot outside the left pinky. Maybe walk the right toe to the back of the mat to create more space for the hips flexor. Open the left arm up and back for twist. Continue breathe here or lower the back knee down, bend the back knee, wrap the back toes. Always hug the navel towards the spine to protect the lower back. Continue breathe. Beautiful. Release the left hand back to the top and slide the left heel to the right edge of the mat for a single pigeon pose. Diagonal the front shin or parallel the front shin to the top of the mat. Extend the right leg back. Rest the forehead down to the mat for a few moments. You got this, my friend. Bring your hands down to the mat. Tuck the right toes and bring the left leg back to the down dog. Inhale, bend the knees, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, travel to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift flat the back. Exhale, squat and curl, lift the heels, bend the knees, scoop the upper body down. Inhale, straighten the legs out, bring the sitting bones down to the mat with your hands up to sky. Exhale, sitting forward fold with the chest over the thighs. Forehead down to the knees. 5 more breaths here. Beautiful. Inhale, lift the chest up with your hands up to sky. Exhale, open your arms to the right, shifting your shoulder forward. Wrap the outer edge of the right foot, or you can wrap the outer side of the right thigh here. If it's possible, lift the right leg up for a deeper twisting. Keep twist from the belly to touch chest. Twist to let something go. Reach your right hand up to sky. Wrap the inside of the right foot. Bend the elbows. Press the right thigh into the chest, chest into the right thigh. Breathe. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, bring the right hand underneath the right knee here, bend the right knee. And then hug the right shin here, like a baby, rock side to side. It's time to play, my friend. From here, grab the outer edge of the right foot and bring the right arm underneath the right thigh. Wrap the right leg over the right shoulder, wrap the right leg over the right shoulder, and then straighten the right leg out. For a composed pose, you can bend the left knee, gaze to the left side. Continue breathe. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale. Release your legs out and then straighten the legs out in front of you. I'll turn this side so you may see me easier. Inhale, reach your hands up to the sky. Exhale, twist to the left. Same other side. Wrap the outer edge of the left foot or outer left thigh. Lift the left leg up if it's possible. Breathe into that twist. One more inhale. Exhale, circle the left hand up and wrap the inside of the left foot here, bend the elbows. Press the left thigh into the chest, chest into the left thigh. Beautiful. Bring your left hand underneath the left knee and then hug your left shin and rock side to side like a baby here. It's time to play, my friend. Wrap the outer edge of the left foot. Wrap the left leg above the left shoulder. Bring your left hand down to the mat. Straighten the left leg up and breathe. Composed pose, you can bend the right knee. Gaze to the right side. You got this. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, bend the left knee. And then bring your soles of the feet together. Butterfly leg here, grab the ankles or grab the feet here. Lift the knees up and down, up and down. Maybe close the eyes. You got this. Close your knees into the chest like a book here. And bring your hands behind your knees. Rock and roll up and down. Few more rounds. Give a little massage for the spine, the center of the body. Meet me on the back when you are ready. Bend the knees. Bring your heels to the hips. Feet hip apart. Bring your hands by the side. Inhale, lift the hips up to a bridge pose. Chin into the chest. Exhale, bring your hips back down to the mat. 2 more rounds just like that. Inhale, lift the hips up to a bridge pose. Exhale, bring your hips down to the mat. 1 more round. Inhale, lift the hips up. Continue breathe here or join me for a wheel pose. Bring the palms above the shoulders. Pointing the fingertips to the heels here. Maybe grab the edge of the mat here. Put the shoulders away from the mat. Lift the heels off of the mat as an option. Breathe here. Straighten the legs if you are feeling comfortable. Just for 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Lower the shoulders down to the mat with control. Hug the knees into the chest. On the next, find the happy baby pose. Grab the outer edge of the feet and shine the soles of the feet up to sky. Rock side to side. Feel free to get into your waterfall pose. Straighten one leg at a time or both legs out. Beautiful. Hug the both knees into the chest. Extend the left leg out. Roll the right knee to the left for a supine twist. Open the right arm to the side. Stack the hips. Soften the belly, soften the chest. And hug the right knee into the chest. Extend the right leg out. Hug the left knee into the chest and roll the left knee to the right. Open the left arm to the side for spine twist. Hug the both knees into the chest when you are ready. Give to yourself a big, big hug here. Big, big love. Take one more deep inhale, squeeze the knees in. Exhale, let it go, Savasana pose. Straighten your legs, your arms by the side, your palms facing up. Allowing your body, your mind relax completely. Keep relaxing in Savasana pose as long as you like. You did an amazing job, my friend. So that was your beautiful yoga practice today. I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you have a wonderful the rest of the day. And I hope to see you again very soon. The lion me bows to the lion you. Namaste.